Alright. This is the purpose of this video. So I did say I would show how to make a liner in my last video. Or not the last video, but one before that, because there should be another video before this one. So anyways, so I got my tote right here. I cleaned everything. We're just gonna go ahead and do the tape on the sides. Make sure you grab some good scissors. Yep. That's all I gotta say. Hopefully this will be a quick video. And also, this is kind of nice because I don't have to turn my flow hood on for this, which means I don't have to edit and do a voiceover, and that makes me happy. Okay. Oh shoot, I forgot some stuff. So you're Okay, so you're gonna want to grab yourself a garbage bag. I prefer anything that's non-scented. That's kind of important, I think. I don't really know. I feel like I've done some totes with scented bags and it hasn't been an issue, but if you can find unscented bags, it's probably better. Okay, so. What I like to do is open my garbage bag. Not all the way though, not all the way. Just enough so it separates kind of like both sides. Because like right now everything's together, so if we cut, it's gonna be a mess. So there you go. I just want to find where it kind of separates. This one has 3. But also what that means is that you get you get more liners out of this. So typically a bag can make about, I don't know how many gallons this is, probably 32. I think this makes about 3 liners. One of the easiest thing I like to do is you flip it upside down, okay? And then I will grab the bottom of the garbage bag that's been like unfolded to its thinnest way. And then I'm going to lay it over my tote. And then I'm going to bring this about 4 inches, because remember when we make our cake, it's going to be about 3 inches total, and so I want the liner to be just a little above. There's also other better and easier ways to make this liner, like, but this I like this way. It's kind of just like clean. It takes a little bit more time, but I like it. So. And you kind of want to do the same thing for the edges. So this edge as well, I'm going to bring over to the other side and make sure it's lined. Let's do it this way, that way I can showcase. So again, as you see, I'm going to make it go about 3-4 inches up here. You could even go higher, but again, my perforation holes are right here. So let's do this. And then same thing here. And you're going to want to grab your scissors. Just make sure this is... There we go. And then you're going to kind of make a mark or a slit, or you're going to start cutting to the other end right here, where it's going to be at about that same 4 inches. Usually I have an easy time if you're able to kind of like grab both sides of the garbage bag and then do Just kind of like let the scissor glide along the way. Feel free to kind of readjust if you've moved the bag a little bit. And yeah, we're still on par. Probably gonna edit this part out. It's a note for me for the video. Just finished cutting this. Just gonna show you the rest. Yeah, so then you got this, and that's what I'm saying. Like this side is going to be, maybe not this one because it's the top. Well, actually it will. This is gonna be about the size of a liner for another tote. So I usually like to fold these. And I keep them on one of my shelves in case of future needs. I have one right here that I made for next one, but the purpose of this video is to show you how to make your own. So it would be lazy of me to just show you it after it's done. Alright, anyways. And we're gonna repeat the same process for this side. So you line it up to the 4 inches all the ways, and the same thing. And it's kind of cool. There's like a little bit of a line here, so I know I can cut just a little below. Same thing here. If you grab both sides, usually you can kind of glide your scissors. I'm not always the best at this. Also, it depends on the quality of your garbage rag. Like these ones are very, very cheap garbage rag. They're not very like strong. I use them pretty much exclusively to make liners because if they're not good enough at holding trash, they're trash cans, not trash can. Oh, shut up. This is a terrible fit. Cool. And yeah, the more straight you make your cuts, the easier it's gonna be to make the next liners. This is probably the most important part of the video with the liner after it's cut, because usually it's annoying to like mess around in there, and this is the trick that has helped me a lot. So you're gonna, I usually like to put my tote long way facing me, I guess. I will make sure everything's aligned to that 4 inches. I have some tape that is pre-cut already, just to make everything a lot easier. Make sure the angle is good. Chewbacca. Alright. Okay, perfect. So then I will kind of just grab the corners here, and I'm gonna fold them. So I'm going to take this half and just kind of fold it along this way, and then I'll do the same. I'll grab this, it will kind of like naturally fold in. This corner goes here, and this folds down. And I'll grab a piece of tape. I'll do this right there. And now I'll grab the opposite corner. Is this one right here, and I will do the same thing. This time I just want it to fold on the inside like this. I actually prefer this a lot. I'm gonna mess up that way, but it's okay, whatever. And I'll repeat with these corners. So yeah, so you can kind of fold it in a triangle like this, and you can either go this way or this way. Tape can just go kind of across. With the last corner. that it's done, it's not actually on the tote. So what we do is we take corners, try to keep it kind of nice. We're gonna turn our tub around. It's been cleaned, sanitized. And we're gonna flip this right in there. I'm just gonna kind of align where the corners are. One side's taller than the other, you can just kind of fix it. Okay with this. I just grab a piece of tape, duct tape. I'm gonna duct tape one side. Flip it around. I always push the bottom of the while holding the bag, because that way it doesn't create kind of like any air pockets under. So I'll press down right here. Hold the liner with one hand, and then with the other, I'll put the tape. I try to get it like half on the garbage bag and then half on the actual tote. Same thing this side. Have it, and then you can be a little more crazy if you'd like, and you can tape like kind of like all of this, which I will do, but I'm not going to show you in this video. Like, I usually like to tape everything and make it look give it like a nice like even layer. So I'll usually like line up tape and I'll put it all against this way just so it looks clean. You do not have to do that, but I prefer to do it. Okay, and this is the way I like to get it done. Usually I'll be a little cleaner with this, but this is, you know, this is the example. I just won't leave any gaps, but it really doesn't matter. But if you like the video, feel free to like. If you have anything to say, feel free to say something. If you want to share, yeah. And thank you guys for all the support. I really appreciate it. It seems like we are approaching 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very humbled by that. That's very, very crazy. So I think I would like to do a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. So let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking probably some kind of culture giveaway, or yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna think about it. Definitely leave something in the comment. Let me know what you guys would like. I also have some really cool photography of mushrooms, so if you guys want some like prints or something, also spore prints. So yeah, I'll probably I'll see if I can do a poll or something. I'm not very good at this YouTube stuff, but anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Psych-E out.